Moto S50 Neo was recently launched and is a mid-segment phone. It features a fast refresh rate POLED display, a mid-segment 5G processor, and a lightweight design. It also comes with new AI features and more. Today, I'm going to share my first impression of the Moto S50 Neo. Hey guys, Maiky from techmaiky here. Please subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more amazing tech videos. The phone has a decent design and comes in 3 color options: olive, surf, and gray. These colors feature a leather back, which feels nice to the touch. The phone looks simple and professional. Compared to other phones in this segment, it's taller. The camera module has a low-key style with a metal ring around the lens. The area around the camera module is lighter in color compared to the rest of the back. The corners of the camera module are rounded and natural, with sloped edges, giving the phone a nice overall design. The front of the phone is only slightly curved, so there's less chance of accidental touches. It also has an under-display fingerprint sensor. The Moto S50 Neo comes with a 6.7-inch POLED display, which looks and feels great. The display has a full HD Plus resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate. It also features 10-bit color depth and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, along with DC dimming support and SGS eye protection certification. The display can reach a peak brightness of 1600 nits. This means you'll have a great multimedia experience whether you're watching movies or TV series. Plus, the eye protection feature ensures that your eyes won't feel discomfort even after long periods of use. The phone has curves on both the front and back, making it look slimmer. It has a thickness of just 7.59 millimeters and weighs only 170 grams, which is quite rare for phones these days. Despite being lightweight, it has a huge 5,000 mAh battery. The phone also supports 30 watts charging, and it takes about 60 minutes to charge from 0 to 100%. The battery durability is also good. After playing Honor of Kings for 30 minutes, the battery remains at 89%. Talking about the camera, the phone has a 50-megapixel AI camera with optical image stabilization and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. You can check out the camera samples here. For performance, the Moto S50 Neo features the recently launched Snapdragon 6S Gen 3 processor, and you can get up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. This mid-range phone also offers an AI experience. With the Moto AI chatbot, you can ask questions and have conversations similar to ChatGPT. You can even ask the chat application to write documents for you. Additionally, it has a smart screen recognition function that can recognize text and create AI summaries. The phone also features hyperband cross-connection, allowing you to connect it to a laptop. You can experience a virtual mobile phone on your laptop with this feature. The base variant of the Moto S50 Neo starts at 1399 yuan in China, which is about 153 pounds in the UK or $193 in the USA. In conclusion, this mid-range phone offers a superb display, an above-average camera, and impressive AI features, which is a big deal for this segment. It's lightweight, handy, and affordable. Now, we just have to see at what price it will launch. What do you think about the Moto S50 Neo? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. This is me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.